In previous class, I did Little Girls Are Wiser Than Elders and The Elephant and the Child poem. Now I am doing the question answers for these two chapters. Look first, little girls are wiser than elders. First man, right, true or false? Malasha and Akolia were wearing new dresses. True. Malasha splashed water on Akolia. True. Akolia's mother did not mind the ruined dress. False. The girl's mother started quarreling. True. The little girls became enemies for life. False. Choose the correct answers. The story is set in spring. The girls wore new dresses on a Sunday. Akolia removed Malasha's and her own shoes because they had to get into a pool of water. Next, Malasha slipped in the muddy water. When the elders did not stop fighting, an old woman pointed out that they were being foolish. See, those children have made up and have gone back to play. But you are still fighting. Who said this? An old woman who had been watching the neighbors fighting said this. To whom was it said? She said this to the crowd which had been fighting. What does the speaker mean to tell the listeners? The old woman wanted to the crowd to realize that just as children forgive and forget easily, the elders should not do the same too. Answer the following questions. How did Malasha happen to ruin Akolia's dress? Answer. Malasha and Akolia were wading through a pool and enjoying themselves. Suddenly Malasha slipped and splashed water and mud on Akolia, who was standing nearby. Next, what did Akolia's mother do? Akolia was angry with Malasha for splashing water and mud on her dress. Akolia's mother, who was passing by, saw her daughter's dress ruined. She also saw Malasha running away. She caught hold of Malasha. See, how did Malasha's mother respond? When Akolia's mother caught hold of Malasha, Malasha's mother heard the noise and come out of her house. The two mothers started quarreling. What did the neighbors do? As Akolia's mother and Malasha's mother started quarreling, neighbors came out and took sides and joined in the quarrel. Some supported Akolia's mother and some supported Malasha's mother. What did the old woman mean when she said, "Aren't they wiser than all of you?" As the neighbors continued quarreling, an old woman came out and saw that the girls had forgotten their fight and were playing and laughing again. She told the fighting crowd that the children were still fighting, so she felt the children were wiser than the elders. Next, add suitable prefixes to the following words and rewrite the words. View, review or preview. Fix, prefix. School, preschool. Correct, incorrect. Do, undo. Add suitable suffixes to the following words. Free, freedom. Friend, friendship. Hand, handmade. Punish, punishment. Hard, hardship. Join the following sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. My pet will eat almost anything. He likes cakes the best. But anta kottidare. So, my pet will eat almost anything but he likes cakes the best. The bird flew over my head. It landed on the roof. And so, the bird flew over my head and it landed on the roof. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿವಾಲಿ, ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಹೋಲಿ. ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡು ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿವಾಲಿ ಆರ್ ಹೋಲಿ. ಡಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್, ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ salad. And My father got the vegetables and my sister made a salad. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions and, or, but, so, because. Asha has a dosa and idlis in her lunch box. She scolded him, so he got angry. Joy lost his bag, but he still seems happy. They want to go home early because of the rains. Sam wanted to play the guitar, but his friend played the piano. Are you coming with me or going home? Next, sort the given words into the correct columns based on the sound that they make. S sounds sing, muzzle, sink. Z sounds eyes, zinc, plays. Next, you listen to some interesting facts. Now fill in the blanks. Manga are comics created in Japan. A graphic novel is a story in text and picture form. Graphic novels are written mainly for grown-ups. Graffiti is words and pictures drawn on walls in public places. Next, elephant and the child. Choose the correct answer. The trees made an arch. The baby was under the shade of trees. After putting the baby down, the mother gathered fruits. She cried in fear because she saw an elephant. Answer the following questions. What woke the baby? See. The sound of the sticks getting crushed under the elephant's feet woke the baby. Next. What did the mother think when she saw the elephant going towards her child? As the mother saw the elephant going towards her child, she thought that the elephant would crush the tiny baby under its huge feet. C question. Why did she think the elephant was a monster? The elephant was huge and its feet were heavy. It had been crushing the sticks beneath its feet and now it held a foot on top of the baby. So the mother thought the elephant was a monster who would crush her child to death. D question. What did the elephant do? The elephant held his foot over the laughing baby for some time and looked at him. Then it reached the ground beyond the baby and carefully placed its 4 feet on the other side of the baby without harming him. Next question. What did you learn from the poem? The mother thought that the elephant might crush her little child to death as it was an animal. It was also huge. To her surprise, he stepped gently over the baby and walked away. So we learn that animals may not always harm us unless we harm them. Okay. These two are comes to your unit test. So be prepared for your unit test. Later I will announce the timetable. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.